Hello mga basketball! Kumusta po kayo? Heto na naman pong pinakwalang hiyang YouTuber, Owen Toriano, aka Basketbolerong Bano. So, before anything else, I would like to say thank you very much po sa aking 182 subscribers. So, sa hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please do hit subscribe. And welcome to our party. Wala namang party. Anyways, so today po, as usual, we're going to do some unboxing. Right. Let's do it. Okay, ito na po yon mga kabasketball. So, marami naman pong kukontra, marami naman pong magko-comment. O may magko-comment na I'm too late. Anyways, better be late than never. So, ito po yun. Alright? Naka-basketball, ito po yung box. Okay. Huwag muna po nating patagalin. There we go. So, Jordan 38 mga basketball. Ito po. Jordan 38. So, napili ko po kulay pula. Alright? Kasi po, actually, nakuha ko po to last January sa aking birthday. Kaya po pula. Okay? On my 50th. Okay. So, as you will notice po, medyo po para pong art. Right? Ito pong Jordan 38. So, iniisip natin, because it is Jordan 38, so may iconic element po dapat na kukunin sa Jordan 8. So, ito po yun. Right? Diba? Yung bilog. Alright? Then, Jumpman logo. Right? So, I think, of course, may bagong technology na ilinagay dito. Kasi, this is a basketball shoe, right? So, I'm expecting na mayroon po talagang a new technology na ilinagay po dito sa basketball shoe na to. Right? So, para po sa akin, I think I am overwhelmed with the design. So, hindi po natin may intin para pong tribal. Like, anyways, para po siyang art, di ba? Para pong ginawang canvas tong sapatos na to. Okay? So, wala po yung just Jordan 8 na strap. So, kaya po, para sa akin, binawian po ng art na to. Yung design, inalis naman yung strap. Alright? So, I think the outer sole, siguradong maganda to. Right? So, to tell you the truth, hindi ko pa po nagamit yung Jordan 35, 36, 37. So, I'm sorry guys. So, I think, nakailan na ba ang one? I think. Anyways naman. I'm going to use this in playing basketball. This summer, I'm going to play basketball, so maybe outdoor. And let's see kung maganda po ang performance niya. Okay? Hindi ko po sinabi na ang performance ko ang maganda. So maybe itong sapatos na to. So of course, we have to check the comfort of my feet inside the shoe, and of course the traction, right? And the support. So, yun naman po siguro ang basihan natin sa paghanap ng magandang basketball shoe. Right? So, okay. Have a closer look, guys. So I know that I'm so late, so maybe most of you guys already saw this in person, right? So yung hindi pa po nakita, ito po yung Jordan 38. Alright? Okay. So nothing extraordinary. So hindi pa po natin alam, hindi ko po alam personally kung ano po yung performance niya. But in the general appearance, para sa akin, overwhelming po itong arting to. Right? But anyways, baka naman po mabawi niya sa performance. Okay? Alright. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. And see you whenever.